Hello, Scott from Wessex Blades. As ever, trying to improve audio and lighting on videos inside on the desk. I've got a slightly improved lighting with a little mini light there, trying to infill. If ever I'm wearing a dark colour, I'm now wearing both lapel mics here. Hopefully you can hear that. And I've just had the latest. What was that? Oh, that was Amazon, the door apparently. You know how they are. Obviously with COVID, they're just leaving it at the door, taking a snap, disappearing, and then updating. So unless I've logged into email, I'm never going to know it's there. So it's quite handy. It actually tells you what it is. It says home equipment. So let's get this open, and you can see what I've now, thanks to Patreon, I've now added to my arsenal to try and incrementally improve what I'm doing here. Just trying to raise the level slowly but surely of the filming. So there's a little box of that, little box of that, and a box with a box. Here we go again, getting in. So it is a foam frame with 3 cold shoes on the top, so it can be handheld like that, or mounted to the tripod there, rather than those spring plunger grippy things for mobile phones. So now it can fit in that sort of nice silicone wedge there. Oh, it feels so much better. It feels a lot more secure. So it's spring, and then once you're in, it's down. Self-tightening nut on the back. Oh yeah, lighting's a bit bare. Okay, so that's going on, and then 3 cold shoes. So hopefully the microphone, which is here, Fuzzy McBuzzy, not using that at the moment. I'm trying to tie mics. I think that I'm being closer to the mic. That's the option for indoors. So I'm not the quietest of people. My voice is quite sort of low register. I don't know why, but doesn't seem to make hardly any difference using a microphone at distance. So I am also getting what's on here, the 2 tops. I've already got one for outdoors, but I got now 2 of these which go there. So for indoors, it's ready to go. Woof woof woof, you know. I could use the other big one I had from Rob when I'm out and about in the woods or whatever. So hopefully that'll improve things incrementally again. Thanks for your patience. I'm getting there, but it's odd how, you know, I upload it and why is it so muted again? I don't know. So hopefully you can hear this ever so slightly better. This will be the standard for indoors, and with an extra little mini light there just to pick things up, knives to camera and things like that. And we'll gradually get it better. Thanks for your patience. Scott Wessex Blades out.